Hi, Hamish here from mortgagesonline.co.nz, here to talk about outside walls on a house, the cladding systems, and I'm lucky enough to have Wayne from Jim's Building Inspections.
Yep, hi Hamish.
Been in the game for a while?
Oh, probably a bit too long really, but getting a bit long in the tooth, but I did building when I left apprenticeship when I left school. I went to a bit of farming for about 10, 15 years in the meantime. Now got back in the building game and now going into the inspection side of the business.
And you do a lot of work in South. What kind of walls do you find out? What's the
well,
common
my
ones?
area is in Franklin, which is the Waiuku, Papakura, Pukekohe and Conifer Grove area, and there's all sorts of types. Good old tried and true is the brick home. It's permanent. Yeah, a bit more expensive to put up, but hey, it looks after itself.
Yep.
Weatherboards, been in New Zealand since 1800. Everybody likes that little horizontal weatherboard look.
The wood.
Yeah, the wood look, and then as long as it's painted, well maintained. Yeah, it sort of went out of vogue there about 20, 30 years ago, but now it's still coming back, and the good old wood, it gives a bit more of an architectural feature to the house, and it's good to see it, but it does need maintenance and
Bit of painting.
a bit of painting and looking after it.
What you generally every 5 years or something, or what's the paint
Depends on the
routine?
paint systems, if you buy
10
cheap
years?
paint,
Yeah.
8 to 10 years, you're fine for a paint.
Yeah. And then there's plaster.
Plaster, yes, that could be a bit of an interesting one, that one. There's all different types of plaster systems out there, but during that late 1980s, early 2000s, there's some systems out there that really did put the building industry on the back foot.
Yeah, and
and
some of them can be a couple $100,000 to fix, right?
Some
That's
real
the worst
shockers
case,
out there. Where basically the fixed cladding outside board is straight onto the outside of the framing, and any crack or a hole or damage in some way, the water got in there and then created rots and things like that.
On the framing.
Yeah, on the frame, which become the vogue of the leaky home. And they can cost
A lot of money.
a lot of money to fix.
But then there are ones that are fine.
It's
there are
fine.
people that have them that have no problems.
As long as they're well maintained, but it's just maintenance and making sure that the cladding system's out. But now, since about 2005, any systems like that, you've got to have a little 20mm gap between that and the framing, between the plaster and the framing.
Yep.
And any water that does get in there for any reason, it can get out. And there's 2 or 3 systems that keep the water out of buildings now.
And I guess if people, the best thing to do is just to get an inspector to really have a look and tell you. And if they want to get hold of yourself, Jim's Building Inspections, I think the phone number is 0800 454 654.
Yep, that's correct, Hamish, and that goes through to our call centre, and the lovely ladies or guy there will put you through to the nearest Jim's inspector in your local area, and they'll go from there.
Well, thanks for your time, Wayne, and
thank you, Hamish, and hope it's useful for you.
thanks for watching, guys and girls, and hopefully you got something out of that.